Purdue University is an international leader in technology transfer and startup creation. Penguin Innovations, a Purdue-related startup, has developed the first USP 797 certified virtual cleanroom educational tool to teach pharmaceutical compounding and sterile techniques to students and other industry professionals. The technology allows learners to gain hands-on experience in creating sterile and quality pharmaceutical compounds to help prevent compounding errors. The company was co-founded by Steve Abel, Purdue Associate Provost for Engagement and Professor, and John Hurtig, Associate Director of the Purdue College of Pharmacy Center for Medication Safety Advancement and Assistant Professor, both in the College of Pharmacy.
Well, pharmacists are the medication use experts, and we want to make sure that we're training them in proper sterile technique. And the two major buckets of errors that we see are process errors, which are either the procedure or the calculations or the technique. And this simulation helps train the appropriate way to do and go about those procedures. The other major category of errors are contamination errors, where you're not using proper aseptic technique. And the simulation also walks through proper aseptic technique to ensure that neither of those types of errors end up negatively impacting patient care.
Penguin Innovations' virtual interactive cleanroom reflects a realistic sterile preparation space that allows learners to be introduced to a certified cleanroom environment and train on aseptic technique, process flow, and regulations that guide the safe use and compounding of sterile medications and safe practices related to parenteral drug therapy.
I would say the first benefit is in cost. If we were to actually create within a College of Pharmacy a true sterile cleanroom environment, the cost could approach $1 million. In the virtual environment, the cost is related only to the computer programming that's associated. The United States Pharmacopeia is the regulating body that sets the standards for these rooms, and so every single time the standards change, your physical environment has to change. We can accomplish that also just by reprogramming in our environment. And last, we have the opportunity to create simulations where students can prepare products that are either expensive or inexpensive at no true cost.
Penguin Innovations has licensed the technology through the Purdue Research Foundation's Office of Technology Commercialization. The company has tested its product at Purdue and has an ongoing study at the University of Michigan. The company plans to partner with both academic and hospital entities to further test and commercialize the technology.
So although originally developed for colleges of pharmacy at Purdue University, through the application of the software, we've seen that there are a lot of other environments where this would be useful. The pharmaceutical industry, medical device, hospitals, community partners, and regulatory bodies all have interest in learning more about virtual environments and having access to practice in those environments. So we're seeking opportunities to partner in research as well as some additional funding in order to continue to develop the environment and make sure that it continues to be meaningful for those partners.
To find more information about this and other Purdue technologies, visit prf.org/OTC.